On-screen text, how to change app icon size on iPhone in 60 seconds. VoiceOver, want bigger or smaller app icons on your iPhone? Let's change your icon layout in under a minute. On-screen text label, Step 1, open settings. VoiceOver, Step 1, unlock your iPhone and tap the Settings app. On-screen text label, Step 2, go to Display and Brightness. VoiceOver, in Settings, scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. On-screen text label, Step 3, adjust text size, optional. VoiceOver, here, you can adjust text size and display zoom, which can also affect how content appears on your home screen. On-screen text label, Step 4, open home screen settings. VoiceOver, next, go back, then find and tap Home Screen and App Library or Home Screen depending on your iOS version. On-screen text label, icon layout controls. VoiceOver, this is where your home screen layout and icon options live. On-screen text label, Step 5, choose icon size/layout. VoiceOver, here, some iPhones show layout styles that effectively change how big your icons appear, like more rows for smaller icons, fewer rows for larger ones. On-screen text label, standard versus zoomed. VoiceOver, if you see options like standard and zoomed, choose zoomed for larger icons, or standard to fit more apps on each screen. On-screen text label, Step 6, confirm and apply. VoiceOver, tap your preferred option, then confirm any pop-up asking to use the new display setting. On-screen text label, Step 7, return to home screen. VoiceOver, your iPhone may briefly restart the display. Then go back to the home screen to see the new icon size in action. On-screen text label, before versus after. VoiceOver, compare before and after. Icons should now appear larger and easier to tap or smaller, fitting more on each page. On-screen text, tip, adjust anytime and settings display and brightness in home screen and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. VoiceOver, you can tweak this anytime and settings under display and brightness in home screen. If this helped, save this video and share it with someone who's always squinting at their screen.